What's up, you guys? Hey, it's Kay back with another makeup tutorial, makeup sledge. I'm not gonna talk too much in this video. I just want y'all to just take a look at what I'm doing. I will go on ahead and say that all the products that I'm using, all the shades, are part of the Wahala 2 palette from JUVIA'S place. The lippy that I want to wear is, of course, mine, which is red velvet, and then I'm using a loose glitter from my line as well, called Intergalactic. So you'll see that in a little bit. So I'll leave all the information for that in the description box below. Once again, thank y'all so much for liking all of my videos, for commenting, leaving suggestions, for sharing it, and most definitely for subscribing. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. Like, stop playing. Stop playing. I know y'all saw my gray. Baby, I got gray hairs. Well, I had gray hairs, but you know, it is what it is. It's life. I say it's wisdom. We're gonna say it's wisdom, okay? So I'm gonna rock my gray hairs because I got some wisdom with me. I guess you can say. But yeah, I'm not gonna talk too much, so I'm gonna just let y'all watch this and just enjoy this music. If you have any comments or questions, go ahead and leave it in the comment section below. Like this video, share it up, share it with your friends, share it with your family, share it with your co-workers, share it with your mama friends, your daddy friends, you know, share it everywhere. out. So I have to give a shout out to Beats by Dance for this little idea that she does with her lashes. Before she puts her lashes on, she puts the eyelash glue on her lash line, and then she puts glue on the lashes and then sticks it, and it doesn't move. Listen here, I'm about to do that for every client from here on out, because baby, them lashes didn't go nowhere. They stuck really good. So yeah, I just had to put that out there. Baby, it's them earrings for me. Look at these tassel earrings. They are gorgeous. They are also on my website, lipandlashbyk.com. I have several colors, like a lot of colors that you can choose from. So, yes, honey. Yes. So, once again, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it up, and subscribe if you have not done so. Like I said in the beginning, I'm going to say it again. What are you doing, sis? What are you doing, bro? If you ain't subscribed to me yet, come on now. Gotta subscribe. Come on. Come become a part of the village. Quit playing. You done watched all these videos. You might as well go ahead and just become a part of the group. Come on, become a part of the family. Stop playing. But once again, my website is lipandlashbyk.com. Lipandlashbyk.com. Once again, hey, it's Kay. I'll holler at y'all later.